Ready to ditch paper notebooks and unlock your iPad's note-taking superpowers with Goodnotes. First, locate and tap on the App Store icon on your iPad's home screen. It's the blue icon with the white made of drawing tools. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in Goodnotes. You'll see Goodnotes appear in the search results. Notice the price listed next to it, as Goodnotes is a paid app. Tap on the price to begin the purchase process. You may be prompted to confirm your purchase using your Apple ID password, Touch ID, or Face ID. This depends on your security settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the payment. Once the payment is confirmed, Goodnotes will begin downloading. A progress wheel will appear around the app icon on your home screen. When the download is complete, the word Open will appear next to the Goodnotes icon. Tap Open to launch the app. Congratulations, Goodnotes is now installed and ready to use on your iPad. You can now explore the app's features, import existing documents, or create a brand new notebook. Start taking notes like a pro.